So you see we're stacking out our bricks now. You want to carry 5 at a time, 2 extra one in your hand like so. This job I'm not using a zoom boom because we don't have enough space, so we're hand banging it. Put all the scaffold, all the material up top.
Oh, mushy.
Wagwan! Back out here at it again. It's a bit chilly out here, but I mean, came out, we still got to get the work done. So today, we're almost off on the wall. Hopefully we can finish it today, the side wall. So we're gonna go and tackle that today and hopefully we can finish it. I'm gonna give you a look of what we did yesterday and you guys let me know if you think we will be able to finish it today. Okay, so this is how much we did yesterday. I think it's a fair amount. I think it's a fair amount, guys. I mean, where I'm gonna jump up on the scaffold so if I can give you guys a better view of what we did. This is how much. So see, the line is pretty straight. Not bad. And we have this much here to do today. Hopefully we can finish. That's it, guys.
Scraping a little piece of giant deflection.
What up, what up? Outside making the cash.
Alright. You're afraid we talk, you know. You see my talk? I'm now watching video of green, boy. Green is good.
So we stuck brick in Canada, okay? Like this.
You're afraid I'll be with them, boy. You have blood clot. Put your face over this and start. What are you doing?
What are
You know how to get into your cute face and start commenting and say, oh my god!
Who's this? What's his name? Is he married? You say yes! Leave him alone! Yes! Leave him alone and take me!
So you see we're stacking out our bricks now. You want to carry 5 at a time, 2 extra one in your hand like so. This job I'm not using a zoom boom because we don't have enough space, so we're hand banging it. Put all the scaffold, all the material up top. Okay, so we gotta put some brick ties now. Today we're gonna aim to try and finish this wall. We're putting our brick ties now, and then we're gonna try and see. We should have like 3 bricklayers on this wall. Even if it's just 2 of us, we should be able to finish it. That should be easy and a straight walk for 2 guys today. Nice marker, Chris. 4 feet, Garrett. 4 feet are fine.
Yeah.
4 feet good green. Check it now. Ma check it. He's checking it. No, he must say no. Here you want to channel your plastic just like so. Later on if the water gonna go right up right here and run out.
No man, they still operate man.
I tell us you lock.
We're lucky.
Which side they lock down here? No man.
Bricks. Hey. Then we use the slicker and fill underneath when we're jointing the wall.
Go home, my friend.
How am I doing? You think I'm doing well? I hope I am. Or else my boss will get me into big trouble for doing a shady job. Hey?